In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a PDF report after using the plagiarism checker in Grammarly. Let's dive right in and make sure you can easily save your work in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to open your document in the Grammarly editor. It's important to note that this is the platform where you do all your editing and checks in Grammarly, and it's accessed through the Grammarly website or the desktop app. If you're logged in and have documents already uploaded or created, select the one you wish to work with until the editor screen appears. Once your document is open, you're ready to initiate the plagiarism check. For those with a Grammarly Premium, Education, or Business account, look for the Check for AI Text and Plagiarism option. This feature is a powerful tool that scours multiple online sources to ensure your content is unique and original. Just a quick click and the plagiarism scan begins. You'll see a progress bar or a similar indicator letting you know it's underway. This process shouldn't take too long, depending on the length of your document. After the plagiarism check is complete, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the editor screen. Here, you'll see the overall score displayed. This score reflects Grammarly's overall assessment of your document, taking grammar, spelling, and, of course, the plagiarism check into account. Clicking on this score will open a pop-up menu with various options for enhancing and understanding your document's quality. In the pop-up menu, you'll find the Download PDF Report option. Go ahead and select it. This report isn't just your average PDF. If you've run the plagiarism check, the report includes these results along with other writing insights, all neatly organized for easy viewing and sharing. It's an invaluable resource if you need to review or submit your work with clear evidence of originality and quality. Now, on to the final step, saving the report to your device. Once you click to download, a dialog box will most likely appear, prompting you to choose where you'd like to save the file on your computer. Choose a location that's easy for you to remember, perhaps a dedicated folder for your reports, and save the file. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a PDF report from Grammarly, ready to share or submit as needed. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, not only do you ensure your content maintains its integrity, but you also have documented proof of its originality. It's a straightforward process, but it provides significant value, particularly in academic and professional settings. Thanks for following along today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.